For this next experiment, we're going to convert a regular piece of glass into something that is much like a one-way mirror, meaning that when someone looks in the mirror, they'll see their reflection, and then all of a sudden it'll change to be someone else's reflection, whoever is hiding behind the glass. Let me show you how to do that right now. And so, any picture frame will work. Just make sure it's one that definitely fits the thickness of the mirror that you select. And it also has a hook so you can hang it up. Okay. Alright. So here's the basic idea. The way this particular effect works in haunted houses is they will have a light source in the back here that's turned off, and they'll have everything be very dark. So you're going to need like a dark cloth, either a dark green or a black cloth, surrounding the entire mirror, and so that will cause the light to be reflected back to you. When you want to see something that's hidden on this side, you simply turn on the light source that's back here. Remember, if the lights are turned on here, the stronger the light is on this side, the more reflective the surface is going to be. The stronger the light is here and the less the light is on the back, this will be almost a perfect mirror. So the panda can see himself pretty well. Now if I dim the lights on this side and instead illuminate this in the back, you see you can't even see my hand when it's back here. However, if I choose to turn on the light that's in the back of the mirror, and I illuminate the back underneath the cloth, you can see the light bulb and the panda at the same time. Now, the brighter that you put the light, and the more the light will pass through, and you'll be able to see more of what's behind the mirror instead of in front. So when you actually do this effect for real, you don't want to have the lights shining directly through the mirror. Put the lights kind of down to the bottom or off to the side, illuminating just the back, and then you can have a person in the back here where my hand is here. I'll show you. You can have a person sitting back here instead, making funny faces, with the person who expects this to be a mirror. This